You search for how to buy shares of Pool Corp. Pool Corp distributes swimming pool supplies and equipment and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker POOL. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search and type the ticker POOL, then locate the match for Pool Corp and open the company listing to proceed. On the stock page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the correct Pool Corp listing with ticker POOL. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. If your account lacks sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the eToro page is provided in the description for reference.